What's going on, everyone? What I have right here is a Rocket Boxer Tank 1. I've had this machine for about 2 years. It has not given me any problems, but the other day, I think just pressing the program key scrambled the circuit board for it. So what it did was my program button, which would push water out of the group head, was now pushing water out of my water spout. And then my water button was pushing water out of my group head. So it is a program issue. It's a quick fix. What you're gonna do is hold your program button till it flashes. Once it starts flashing, you just hit it again, and then everything will go back to normal. So right now, when I hit the program button, it should shoot water on my group head. And then my water spout will shoot water out of the water button. So that's the fix. I'll put the video of what was happening, but it's an easy fix. I was scrambling around trying to fix it, but that's all you need to know on this machine. And soon enough, I'll make a video on how awesome this machine has been these last 2 years.
Press it on, people, turn it on. 10 to 15 seconds, and it should flash. When it flashes, then you release it. Alright. Then it should reset. It should restore it, so then try hitting the P button real quick. Try it. Yo boy!